Today I will be unboxing an NVIDIA Quadro NVS 420 X16. This is one of the first PCI Express NVIDIA Quadro cards, so this should be quite interesting. This is a sealed in-box unit. Ah, come on. These are sealed very tightly. The seal hath been broken. Now with the seal out of the way, we are presented with a pretty plain PNY box. Opening it up with the flap on the side. Having pulled all of this out of the box, we have, well, parts. Lots of parts. The NVIDIA Quadro itself, right there. In a very well-made box. This card has a little bit of damage on it. No worries about that. This is a brand new unit, so it's a little suspicious that it has this damage, but oh well. PNY Quadro NVS 420. This is one of the few that was actually given a fan. This is for that big connector. I've never seen this connector before in my life. But it goes out to 4 DisplayPort out. And this is whatever that is to 4 DVI. That's interesting. And here's that without it being in a pink box. Or a bag. Yeah, a bag. Nice little cover. Other one didn't have that. And these 4 DVI ports. I wonder who would need that. Oh well. That's it. Now, this is hilariously professionally tested with corporate applications. Hummingbird Exceed, McAfee Virus Scan, Microsoft Office Suite, PC Anywhere, and more. With financial applications, Reuters, TradeStation, and many more. That's nothing special, but that's typical. NVIDIA Quadro by PNY Technologies, NVS 420, with 512 megabytes of GDDR3 video memory. The system requirements. It's laughable at this point. It has a CD-ROM. I don't think I actually saw that. I'll have to for a manual. Oh, it's in that manual. Microsoft Windows Vista, including DX10 support, quick start installation guide, adapter cables, minimum system requirements, AGP or PCI systems and cards. Yeah, no, that's not this. This is a PCI Express card with a Pentium 4, Xeon or Athlon, Opteron, whatever requirement. Unavailable PCI Express 16 slot, Windows XP 2000 or NT 4.0, or well, you can just use any Linux. 128 meg system memory, 350 watt power supply. Yeah, like this thing will use that much. 50 megabytes of full disk space for a full installation, and a VGA monitor. Oh, that's so much to ask for. On the back of the box, key features and benefits: the NView display software, a dual 350 megahertz RAM DAX per GPU, integrated TMDS transmitters, whatever that is. High density connectors. I mean, yeah, DVI, that 4 times DVI is pretty cool. Unified driver architecture, and it came with a warranty that is now expired. And these are the specifications, or the performance features. Oh, this is a 2008 graphics card. It's not one of the first. I lied. Sorry. Let's see if there's anything else interesting on this box. Professional workstation. Professional workstation. And while I'm at it, I should open this documentation. That was so badly put in, it tore right when I was pulling it out. Lovely. And just leaflets. I'll put those back in. And I don't need those drivers because Windows 10 and Windows 8 and Windows 7 already have drivers for this card. Funny how that works. My adapter fell off. They really didn't want you to break into these things and then just put them back. And there we have it. A graphic card.